Hello followers of my Porsche 914 project. As you can see, I've had this thing sitting here languishing, needs a wash and a paint job for about 5 years. It's actually my second one. The leftovers of the other one are right there, the orange bits. And the engine is down here on the ground waiting to go in. It's already finished. And I just need to do a little bit of body work on this thing, and then I can put it back together and run it. I haven't touched it really in about 2 years other than just washing it. Had some stuff, I was helping some friends that needed my help. It took a lot of my time, so dealing with the coronavirus stuff. Currently this is April 1st, and we've got time to work on it, so that's what I'm planning to do. And if you go back on this Facebook page, you can see years and years of work I've done on this one and on the one before it, which I got the engine on that one working. And that engine's going to be in this car. It's going to be a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and it may have been souped up a little bit by the previous owner. It's hard to know without taking it apart, and I don't plan on taking the engine apart until I have to, so I just assumed that they were telling me the truth. Hope everybody's staying safe, and wear a mask when you're out, and gloves, and make sure you wash your hands a lot, and let's get through this pandemic. And I hope that they stop keeping us homebound and find ways that we can get out, but be out and safe about it. So there's the hole I opened up. That hole was underneath the body all this time for decades, and I revealed it. I'm going to clean it up, weld the hole up, and then put fiberglass back in. There were some cracks here which I opened up. You can see it needs a good wash, which is what I'm going to do here in just a few moments. And I'll probably redo the interior again, just clean the interior up and make it look pretty. It's a 914 with a 916 body kit on it. Not particularly valuable. I did buy it because it was valuable. I bought it because it looked like a fun car, and hope to get it running good and learn how to work on these, and then get it running and then rag the hell out of it on the road and just have a lot of fun with it, and then maybe go sell it and go on to a new one. It's got wheels that were made by Carol Shelby. Pretty interesting. Kind of look like Mini Cooper wheels. They're not original to the car, of course. Well, the owner before me had it. It has 911 80s side mirrors on it, which aren't really correct, but I kind of like them. So these are kind of rugged out, but I'll probably try to find some new ones that'll work. The window trim's blacked out, and it's coming loose. Of course, I need to put a new windshield. The windshield here is cracked. Haven't found a 914 yet which didn't have a cracked windshield. So, what's the best thing about 914s? Pop-up headlights. The first Porsche with pop-up headlights, but by far not the last. And the paint on this thing wasn't great when I got it, but sitting outside has not helped any, and it's really gone. Wasn't a great paint job to begin with, so it's really showing how messed up it is. And also, this car was probably put together with like 2 or 3 other vehicles, because I can see 2 or 3 different colors of paint underneath it as well. I believe the car was hit in the front at one time and maybe hit in the back, which again gives me a little more freedom to do what I want with this car and not worry about the value so much. Used to won a concourse back in '84. And see, here's the Porsche Club of America membership sticker still on it. Thing hasn't run since 1987. It's the 87 sticker from Davidson County back when they did it. And spray it with some light bleach spray to loosen up this stuff, this mold and crap that comes from the hackberry trees above me. This dang thing drops on it all the time. I need to get that thing cut down as soon as possible. I hate that tree. It's only wanted to get rid of it for over a decade, so hopefully I'll do that soon. Okay. This is like a 25% bleach solution that I'm gonna spray on it. Maybe don't recommend this if you got a beautiful car. You don't have it all gumped up like this one, but it works really good for me for this. Well, I gave it a wash. Interior hasn't been done yet. But it's sitting there waiting to go. It's not so bad, really. Cool floor mats. My battery tray ready to get welded in. And the sill, door sills. It's all jacked up. We worked on this thing so low when it's on the ground, it's ridiculous. It looks a little prettier. It looks prettier wet than it does dry. Got an original Blaupunkt radio. 120 mile an hour speedometer. I had one that had 150 mile an hour speedometer, but really, it's all semantics. This will probably go 115 at best when I get it running good. Big old tachometer. Some of the gauges. Cool aftermarket steering wheel, which I really like actually. These formats. Missing the shifter, which is inside right now. The bolts are all there waiting to put it back on with the new linkage from a 1973 or 1972. Got a glove box if I can remember how to open it. I may not be able to. There it goes. Oh, look, I've had a critter has invaded my car, and I'm now just aware of it. That's not making me very happy, but there it is. Folks, that's what happens when you haven't looked in the glove box in about 2 years. Well, we'll have to kill these things off. Alright. All that stuff. Ton of. Hope that didn't come out of my seats. Probably did, unfortunately. But I don't see a hole in the seats. I see a little water standing back here. Let's suck that up real quick. And we're about to take the top off. Another great thing about this car. I'll show you in a minute. So I took all the rat's nest out of the glove box. I can't find where the hole is coming from that they entered in. Along the thing, let's look where it closes down on. Also the door card, need a little TLC. I'll do that here in a moment. You can see there's some grunge growing on it. I'll take care of that. Gotta get that. This looks a lot like Volkswagens, but they're not. They're just different enough to be different. Gotta have that open, keep the door unlocked. Really, there's no reason to lock this car. Well, I've done a little bit of cleaning and cleaned up the interior a little bit. I just want to show you a little bit of what it looks like. Clean. That's the greatest thing about this convertible. The top is really cool. Target top, I guess, is the best way to call it. Got an interior light like the Volkswagen Beetle that's in the middle, so I guess it doesn't shine your eyes, which is nice. You can actually see by it. It's pointing towards where your eyes are, not where you're going. Some cars I see, especially sports car, they put the interior light where it's blinding you. So this is a quick little detail I did. This part here is all messed up. I need to replace that piece of trim. Getting a little bit of a water leak into the interior. I need to stop. I need to find that piece of trim right away and install it. The target top is over here. It can actually be stored in the trunk while you're driving down the road. It's really cool. Goes in the back trunk. There's actually two trunks. There's a front trunk and the rear trunk. This has got a ton of storage for a car this small. It's really amazing, and it has lots of legroom for tall people, which is very unusual for small cars also. So really meant for us tall German types. Latches. And the interior's really good shape. Might need some new weather sealing. Otherwise it's doing really well. Here it is, a little cleaner. Still got a heck of a patina now. The paint's really breaking up. Really not much I can do but sand it down. Or chemical strip it, start all over again. I have some ideas about that. It might get it looking pretty good without having to just kill myself on it. And these wheels are really kind of cool. They're Carroll Shelby. Tires are unusual for this size. I need to figure out what size those are and see if I can find something like that. I want to get it running. All in good time.